My name is Brooke Juhula, and I'm a certified photo instructor with Lindblad Expeditons-National Geographic. Today, we're at anchor in Antarctica. We're exploring through the snow and the ice on yet another continental landing. Our journey began in Ushuaia at the most southern tip of Argentina. From there, we had a smooth, beautiful crossing over the Drake Passage and stopped at the South Shetland Islands for our first introduction to the resident penguins. From there, we continued eastward into the Weddell Sea and had an incredible opportunity to walk on fast ice in Deuce Bay. We also got to stop at Brown Bluff for our first continental landing. Afterwards, we came back onto the western side, where we've been exploring iconic landscapes, including the gorgeous Lemaire Channel and a stunning day in Sierra Cove. As a certified photo instructor, I'm going to be working hands-on with people, introducing them to OM camera systems, helping them with their own camera setup, and going over the basics of photography, including shutter speeds, composition, and even how to post-process your images so that you can get the best quality photos to take home from this incredible experience. I got started on my creative journey in adventure photography, going out and shooting in environments I don't have control over. This is where anticipating the moment, understanding the light, and being quick on your feet and creative are vital to capturing the best images. I am most motivated when the lighting hits just right. On this journey, we have experienced a spectrum of lights. On our fast ice day, there is a bright sun, so there's also harsh shadows, which led to creating some very dynamic, high energy, high contrast images. This created some dramatic iceberg landscape photos with dark clouds in the background, but a nice light right on the iceberg to really make it pop. I'm a little intimidated because it's so otherworldly, but that doesn't mean I didn't have my creative daydreams of the images I might get here. I'm very inspired by scale. I was really chasing images that could communicate the massive size of this landscape we're exploring. While the wildlife is absolutely adorable, what I'm very much drawn to is the human experience. So seeing the scale, seeing us traverse through it, seeing the light in your eyes when you see fast ice or a calving glacier for the first time, those are the moments that really speak to me as a photographer. Coming from the adventure sports background, I am always drawn to a dynamic movement in my shots. I want that action. And it's because that still image then has a sense of energy to it that really elicits a reaction from viewers and helps to capture the experience of that moment. Photography has the power to make both the photographer and the viewer of that image emotionally connect with these pristine places. Once we emotionally are engaged, we start to care. And then that translates over to feeling a sense of responsibility for being a good steward and ambassador for this environment and making sure it is forever protected in its most pristine form.